Imagine a place where people from all walks of life come together to create, learn, mentor, invent, and even play. A place that connects learners and educators, technologists and researchers, makers and innovators. This place is real. The Fab Lab or Fabrication Lab is a global initiative of MIT, found in over 30 countries. And NIHERST is proud to be part of this global phenomenon as we offer a range of services and workshops in our very own Fab Lab. Our Fab Lab is outfitted with modern technology which can be used to bring your dreams into reality. A laser cutter that makes 2D and 3D structures. A 3D printer that can create models or prototypes of your unique design. And a vinyl cutter that can produce decals of your creative designs or logos. So if you are an inventor, engineer, innovator, or even a dreamer, contact us at the Fab Lab to find out how we can help you on the way to success.